So stick 4 old bangles with some glue. I made 2 sets like this. Using royal blue satin ribbon, I wrap it all around the 4 bangles and secure it with some fabric glue on the other end. I made 2 of them like this. Using mirrors of your choice, stick them all around both the bangles. Use some zari or gota thread and twine it all around the bangle in between the mirrors this way. Secure the other end using Fevikwik for a better hold. For the next set, stick 2 bangles together. Make 2 sets. Use a fabric that is contrasting with the blue color that we used earlier. Wrap it all around. Complete both of them. And again, using mirrors of your choice, stick them all over. And this set is ready. For the final set, stick 6 bangles together, make 2 sets, use some zari border or zari fabric that is left with you and wrap it all around and secure with fabric glue once again. Now use 2 different types of mirrors and stick them alternatingly. And that's it, we're done. That's the set of bangles I made. Hope you like them. Happy Navratri. Bye bye.